Hi everyone, Dr. Brei is here with you at Tunde's Holistic Beauty Bar. This is her brand new location at Guelph and it is just stunning, and I'm about to receive an incredible magical hands facial from Tunde herself. Now Tunde is a bit of perfectionist like myself. She always is front and center with her customers and she has to give her own signature facial to every one of her clients. So I am so excited today to receive one of her NUVsio facials, and in fact Tunde uses the NUVsio 1-2 step in all of her signature facials. Here with Tunde today, and she's gonna tell me a little bit more about her magic hands and that lovely signature facial that she offers here at Holistic Beauty Bar.
The signature facial is 60 minutes. Most people opt to do that framework of time, and we do lots of massage. We incorporate the amazing NUVsio products. We do steam, purifying clay, we finish with the balm, but we'll be doing lots of lymphatic massage, drain.
That's what this lady is known for. The lymphatic drainage massage is just incredible. It's so, explain what is so important about lymphatic drainage.
The direction of where the massage starts to where it finishes, making sure all the watershed lines are moving fluids in the right direction of proper drainage. So we're facilitating lymph fluid movement out towards the neck and down to the shoulders. So puffiness, tiredness, circulation, and really smoothing out the texture of the skin.
Yes, because we forget that lymphatic system, it doesn't have a pump. There's certain things in our bodies, like our heart, that has a pump that can generate our blood circulation going through our bodies. But unfortunately for the lymph nodes, we need to massage these. We need to help them work and function properly.
That's right.
And that is exactly what Tunde's gonna do to me. So I'm so excited. Come with me and we will check out this facial up close and personal. Hi everyone, just finished the lovely facial with Tunde. Look at that glow, it's phenomenal. And I hope you enjoyed Tunde and enjoy those magic hands at Holistic Beauty Bar.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Tunde.
you. Thanks, my pleasure.
So if you are in Guelph or would like to come, this is the place, Holistic Beauty Bar, and ask for that NUVsio glow. Take care.